The Xterra 705 is the flagship detector of the Minelab Adventure series. The 705 features not only a full power coin and treasure hunting machine, but by simply pushing one button, you can go from a coin and treasure machine to a full power gold prospecting machine. It features a large LCD screen, 28 points of discrimination, automatic ground balance, automatic ground tracking, and a beach mode for hunting some of the worst soils in the world. Let's take a look at the control panel of the Xterra 705 and see how easy this machine really is to operate. The red power button on the left-hand side of the screen turns the detector on and off. The backlight button on the right-hand side of the detector turns the backlight function on and off. You'll see the backlight briefly come on during the detector startup sequence when you power it on. The 705 has 4 preset discrimination patterns for coin and treasure hunting that you can customize to find the kinds of targets that you want to hunt, as well as an all-metal pattern that doesn't reject any metal. And in the prospecting mode, it has an iron mass pattern that rejects targets with iron content based on the iron mass level you choose. The factory default is 5. The Accept Reject button is used to accept or reject certain targets as the 705 detects them by turning on or off individual discrimination segments in the display. This function is only active in the coin and treasure mode. The mode button has 3 separate functions. It toggles the machine between the coin and treasure mode and the prospecting mode. While in either mode, pressing the mode button and holding it for 3 seconds activates the target ID stabilizer, which can help stabilize targets while the 705 is detecting targets in mineralized ground. The mode button is also used to activate the auto function of ground balancing and noise cancel. Ground balance is adjusting the detector to ignore the mineralization in the soil where you detect, making the Xterra 705 more stable and more likely to find targets. You can choose to ground balance manually or automatically, or turn the tracking ground balance on and have the Xterra 705 adjust the ground balance continuously as you detect. The all-metal button toggles between the 4 discrimination patterns and the all-metal pattern. In the prospecting mode, the all-metal button is used to toggle the machine between all-metal and iron mask. The menu select button is used to enter the main menu at any time while you're detecting, to access and scroll through all of the basic and advanced settings of the Xterra 705. The pinpoint detect button has 2 functions. While in the regular detecting mode, it turns the pinpoint function on and off. The pinpoint detect button is also used to exit out of any menu screen and back to the main detecting mode. The plus and minus buttons adjust the settings in the menu and also scroll left and right through the segments of the discrimination scale. Now that we've looked at the control panel, let's go to the quick start menu and get you out detecting right away. Turn your Xterra 705 on and you're going to choose the mode. Now, right now we're in the coin and relic mode. Let's go over to the prospecting mode by using the mode auto button. Now you see the prospecting pick and you also see the number 5. The number 5 is the level of iron mask, and as a new user, we absolutely recommend that you leave it at that level. Now, the Xterra 705 in the gold prospecting mode is an audio-only detector, so that 5 will remain on the screen at all times. So we've set our iron mask, now it's time to noise cancel the detector. Using the menu button, choose the noise cancel function. Now at this point you have 2 options. You can either automatically noise cancel or manual noise cancel. We're going to choose the automatic mode. So press the mode auto button and the machine is going to run through 5 separate channels, finding the quietest channel and eliminating as much EMI or electromagnetic interference as it can. Once it's complete, you'll hear a tone and we'll be done. Noise canceling is complete. Press the pinpoint detect button to return to the main menu, and the only thing left now is to ground balance. Press the ground balance button, and at this point you can either manual or automatic ground balance the machine. We're going to choose the automatic feature. Press the mode auto button and lift and lower the machine about 1 to 4 inches off the ground. You'll hear that same tone, and now the machine is ground balanced, ready to hunt. Press the pinpoint detect and you're ready to go prospecting. See how quick and easy it is to set up the Xterra 705 as a gold prospecting detector? Now the only thing we have left to do is go detect. To learn more about the Xterra 705 as a coin and treasure machine, check out the Minelab Adventure series.